torrents. So you're watching this video because you want to know how they work and how to use them. Now, if you enjoy a game or a piece of software, it's normally best to pay for it to help the developer. But if you're gonna do it this way, then you might as well do it the safe way. So I'm going to talk you through it. So open up your web browser, in my case Google Chrome. Now we're going to need the software to download the torrent first. So let's download that. Type in uTorrent, and now it'll be the top link. That the URL is www.utorrent.com. Now click on that, and then click on uTorrent free, and just install that to your system. Now I'm not going to take you through that because I already have it installed, but just keep clicking next, and it should install fine. Now start it up. Now if it doesn't start up straight away, you're probably thinking, okay, I'll click it again. No, don't do that. I made this mistake when I first started using torrents, or at least uTorrent. Starts up at the bottom, as you can see there. Simple enough, but a silly mistake. Anyone can make it. Now you have the software to download the torrents. Now you need the torrent. So open up your web browser again. Now the website I use, which I personally think is the best, is a website called Torrents. Now you want to click on that. It should be the top link that says torrent search engine. The URL is torrents.eu, and that's torrents with a Z. Now click on that. Now this website searches loads and loads of websites that provide torrents. So you're not just looking at one website, you're looking at hundreds. That's why I personally use this website. So now we want to type in something we want. Now with torrents, it's just a way of downloading something. So you can get anything from games, music, films, anything you can think of. Now, for argument's sake, let's say I missed a program. So I missed The Walking Dead. Say I missed the last episode, which was episode 7. There we go. Season 2, episode 7. Now, I'm going to want to download this. Now, there's obviously loads of others I could download. Now, on this particular website, we see a tick. Now this means it's been verified that it's completely safe, no viruses. But even if it doesn't have a tick, doesn't mean it's got a virus. It just means it hasn't been verified. But it probably will in time, but it just hasn't yet of this particular time in recording. So it's completely fine. I've never had a bad torrent, so don't worry. Now click on your torrent. Now these are all the websites that provide the torrent. Now it's all the exact same torrent. You could just go to whatever web page you want to download it from. Now for argument's sake, I'm going to click on kickasstorrents.com, and it'll open up. Now we have download torrent and download. Now these aren't the same thing. With download, it will download it to your system, but with download torrent, if we right click it and click copy link address, then go back to uTorrent and click add torrent from URL, there is our copied link. If we click OK, there is our torrent. Now this shows you everything you're downloading. So we're getting a piece of information about the torrent we're downloading, and we're getting our torrent, well, our program itself. Now we don't want this really, so let's unclick that, and then we click OK, and there it is. There's Walking Dead episode 7 downloading. Now when it's finished, if you want to click it, right click and click open containing folder, it'll open where it is in your system, so you can get there nice and fast, style it up, bish bash bosh, it's done. Now that is pretty much how to download a torrent. It's pretty simple. You can use other pieces of software, but this is how I do it personally. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's informative. If you have any other reviews or tech ideas or tutorials that you need doing, just leave a comment or inbox me on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.